Okay, looks good, just keep. Yo, what's up guys, Razor Affiliate here, welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I'm recording Keydrop, 1.2k on my balance. Keydrop is CSGO sites where you can open cases, you can create case battles, you can join on giveaways, tournaments, events, you can upgrade your skins and more. If you're looking for best promo code on Keydrop, just click add fonts in top right corner. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. For 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. On left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by skins, Visa card, MasterCard, crypto, you can pay by gift cards and more. Also you can click on promotional code in top left corner and you can enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click collect. If you're looking for free gold on Keydrop, just click on free gold section. Scroll down and you can find steps how to claim it. You can follow Keydrop on TikTok and you can claim 18 golds. You can join on Keydrop Facebook group and you can claim 31 golds. Just scroll down to find every steps. Okay, I will start with case battles today. Okay, I will create my own case battle. Let's try with knives. Okay, 2 knives cases. Waiting for player to join. Okay, let's see. Only 2 cases, knife cases. $310 case battle. Okay. How much is that? 136. Okay, let's see last one case. Can we win? Yeah, we can win. Okay, $500. That's crazy. At start $500. I'll try to upgrade. I'll try to upgrade that. I'll try to double it maybe. Let's try with this one glows maybe. Can we hit 44% please? Stop. We can't, no way. First miss guys. I will create one more case battle. So let me see which case. Let's try with YouTuber cases, 3 unknown cases, and let's try with Black 3. $100 case, but let's see this one. Okay, 1 player's joined. Can we win this one maybe? Okay, this one AK, how much? Only $2. Okay, that's so bad. Last one unknown case. Okay, this one AVP, how much? $68. Okay, that's crazy. That's crazy. I lead this one, please. Just keep 2 more black cases. Oh my god, imagine knife, guys. Imagine this one knife. So let's see, last one. Okay, I win this one, I think. Yeah, $126. I'll try upgrade. Let's try it. Okay, this one for contracts. Let's try double it. This one I 43%. And I miss again. No way. Unlucky. Okay, I'll try contracts, play skins. $10 skins, $18. Can we hit profit here? Okay, $22. That's low profit, but I will try to upgrade this one USP. Let's try it. 5x here. This one AVP looks good. Okay, looks good. Just keep. Oh my god. Holy. Let me try it. Case opening now, maybe 3 cases, $350. Can we hit something good? Okay, we got glows. How much? 151 only, dude. Okay, let's try it one more. Please hit me something good. No way, dude. No way. Let's try it. Upgrade here. Let's try it. 1.5x. This one knife. Movie knife case hardened. Can we hit? Dude. No way, guys. That's so unlucky today. I don't know. So unlucky. I will sell one butterfly knife, so we need profit here maybe. We got 1.8k now. I'll try with one huge case battle now. Let's create. Let's try with lore. 3 lore cases. Let's create 1.1k case battle, guys. Come on, guys, please. We need win. We need good hit here, please. Only 3 cases. Okay, first one. That's nice. $191. 2 more cases left. Just be profit and win. This one is so bad. Okay, last one case. Can we hit profit, please? Okay, how much is that? That's not profit. I lost $200. Let's try it. Upgrade now. Okay, this one AVP. Ah, of course. No way. Okay, this one. Please, dude, now hit. Just hit. I can't believe, guys. I can't believe. Okay, let's see this one case battle. 2 serpent cases and 1 wise case. Can we hit something good here maybe? Please. Nobody join it. Let's try with bot fox. Can we hit something good, broski, please? Okay, this one. 27, only 27. Okay, we got this one knife. Looks good. Last one, please. Just hit me good knife. Just hit me good knife, bro, please. Oh my god, how much is that? GG. Okay, 1 player already joined. Let's see, only 5 cases. Can we make maybe profit? Okay, only $12. I did with $12. Please, bro, hit me. Oh my god, guys, imagine this one butterfly. Okay, but this one AK not bad. 2 more serpent cases. Just be profit. Just be profit. Last one. That's not profit, bro. Only $2 profit. Oh my god. Okay, can we try with upgrade now, please? This one AK, double it, please. Just double it. Let's try all in. $75. This one glows. Okay, finally we hit. Finally we hit. Let's try this one. I've doubled it. Stop. New knives case battle. Let's try 3 players. Nobody joined. I'll try with 1 more bot. Last one, please. 3 knives. Imagine, guys, please. Unlucky. Guys, use my promo code Razor Affiliate on Keydrop. 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Just click add funds in top right corner in a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. Unlucky today on Keydrop, guys. Maybe next video will be profit. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye.